So the editing system in the shop here is really bad. It's a desktop that is not working very well. So I usually been doing the editing up to this point, and Matt's going to be doing more of the editing. So we wanted to upgrade the system here. So we got all these parts for a new system. We're using the Ryzen 5. Ryzen 5 1600 and the B350 motherboard to go with that. So this is going to be an editing computer, although...
See, this does definitely need to take those off.
You need to take those off. And the reason for like this new change is because we're switching the editing system as well to the Adobe Suite, the Adobe Pro Suite.
Oh, it's got some paste on there already. There's more on.
This new system is going to be much better for that, and of course I have to learn a whole new system as well, which is...
So, we're just gonna...
Okay, let's see what you're doing here. So this is 16 gigs.
Yeah. And this memory is 3000 megahertz.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with the gray.
Hey, hold on. You need to turn them around. This needs to go.
Okay. Oh, didn't see that.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So it still has a PS2 connection, which is kind of funny.
Okay, so we're gonna connect the hard drive now, and this is like super light. It's like I didn't even think it's like real. It feels like the packaging or something.
So, I guess it doesn't. Let's just go with one right there. And now we're looking for mainboard power. It's a heavy one, feel it?
Oh yeah, it's really actually really cool material.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at that. So just...
Let's just get the power switch button.
Oh, look at that. That looks so cool. What a visual.
So here we go. We have the Samsung. It's got the hard drive. Good. It's got the motherboard temperature.
So right now the graphics card fans are not running.
They go on and off as needed.
Oh, okay.
It was running initially.
We're at the point now where everything checked out. Got everything working. Connecting, and it's gonna go inside the case. Such a big part for a graphics card.
Well, as big as I've ever used, even though it's a relatively inexpensive one these days.
It's so much
still huge.
better than...
Oh god, yeah. It's really quite nice. Probably the first thing that should go in is this
the power supply.
Just to get its... Because it's
so big.
So, I think most people are putting it right in the bottom there.
Uh-huh. A little slot for it.
It's like, it's got this whole thing here.
And then they're gonna go up to there.
We are not professionals. Keep in mind, people, we are not professionals.
We're like, if it looks like it fits, it should fit.
Exactly. That's pretty much how we do everything.
So now maybe we should try to feed these wires through first.
Yeah, let's get them like this. Basically, these wires are going to go
in through there.
I would imagine they're going to come through here.
Wire management going in.
It does look pretty awesome. Now we're going to take the SATA drive. Should probably turn it on then, huh?
Uh-huh.
What's a baby doing in the shop?
Baby woke up and baby was not happy, so baby had to come out of the shop. Moment of truth. Oh, we see light.
It's red.
Red. Fan on.
All the fans are working on the case.
Cool. Success.
I think we have a disturbing lack of LEDs on this thing.
I was thinking that too. There's not enough lighting. Where's all the different cool lights on here? Looks rather dark. I do like how you can see though inside. Ooh, very satisfactory sound.
That's freaking cool.
It looks like an alien. It looks very cool.
And we have the thing's running. I think it looks awesome.
It looks so cool. It's definitely the fanciest computer case we've ever had.
Yeah.
By far.